Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today I'll be talking about moving averages and the perfect moving averages for day trading. So the day traders need continuous feedback on short-term price action to make lightning fast buy and sell decisions, and their buy and sell decisions are based on price action strategies. And intraday bars are wrapped in multiple moving averages serve this purpose, allowing quick analysis that highlights current risks as well as the most advantageous entries and exits. Now, these moving averages work as macro filters as well, telling the trader the best times to stand aside and wait for more favorable conditions. Now, moving average, the combination of 5, 8, 13 bar simple moving averages offers the perfect fit for day trading strategies. These are Fibonacci tuned settings that stand the test of time, but interpretive skills are required to use the settings appropriately. Now, it's a visual process examining relative relationships between the moving averages and price, as well as moving averages that reflect subtle shifts in short term. Now, there are if you are using these kind of moving averages in a long trade, um, you would have to see where the bar is, where the candlestick is, and based on that, you have to take your decisions. So, signals to stand aside. Now, inter interrelationships between price and moving averages also signal periods of adverse opportunity cost when speculative capital should be preserved. Trendless markets and periods of high volatility will force 5, 8, and 13 bar simple moving averages into large scale whipsaws with horizontal orientation and frequent crossovers, telling traders to sit on their hands. Now, there are the bottom line is these bar simple moving averages offer perfect inputs for day traders seeking quick profits on the long or short sides. The moving averages also work well as filters, telling fast fingered market players when risk is too high for intraday entries. I've also made another video on tips for intraday strategies. You can also refer that video too for other intraday tips. So hope you enjoyed this small informative video on moving averages. If you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to ask or comment. I'll be happy to clarify them for you. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.